welcome back to my cross stitch channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video. The month of December has not been a very much productive month when it comes to cross stitching. I haven't cross stitched that much, and I haven't made a lot of videos, just a couple of short videos. But now I'm back and I've been cross stitching a little bit, so I want to share with you what I've been cross stitching. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a little bit of Christmas in Stockholm. So it's going to be very interesting. So stay tuned. I'm going to start with my, this is a big project that I have. This is from a magazine called Crossstitcher from January 2020. And this is like a row of classic Christmas shops, like a stitch along, and there are like six different shops here, or cafes, or boutiques, as we like to say in Swedish. And I started cross stitching from this side. So this is like a toy store. This is a cafe. This sells like flowers. This is like for sewing and cross stitching, and this is a bakery, Tasty Bakes, and this is like a grocery shop, like a deli. And I want to show you the preview of this particular shop. This is Tiny Tim's Toys. Let me show you a little bit closer what it looks like. This is what it's gonna look like when it's finished. It's cropped here, but you can see here it's gonna have like it's gonna be like a basket with flowers in there. So I'm using 14 count Ada fabric by Zweigart, and I'm using DMC floss, and I have a lot of floss here. Let me just show you. I have like 4 project cards here with beautiful colors. I love the colors. I love these project cards as well by DMC. So beautiful colors, as you can see as yourself. And before I show you what I cross stitched, let me just show you a picture of what this cross stitch project looked like the last time I showed it to you. So here's the picture. And this is what I cross stitched. As you can see here, I am done with this part of the wall and the door. It's completely finished. So I went up here and I cross stitched these popsicles, I don't know what I call them, and the sign here which says toys and games. So this part is completely finished. And let me just show you a little bit closer what it looks like. And what I need to do here now is to make the sign here, Tiny Tom's Toys, which is going to be up here. And just move on and cross stitch the snow and the basket with the flowers. So there's not that much left, but this project is not that easy. It has a lot of detailing in it and a lot of back stitching. But I still love it. I mean, look at the details. I love the details, but you have to work on, you have to like put a lot of effort, a lot of time into these details. And when I'm finished with this shop, and I don't have that much left on this one, I'm gonna move on and cross stitch the cafe here, which is gonna be in pink. Like they have a lot of, I like the detailing with the cupcakes and the muffins, and it looks beautiful. Let me just get this out of the way. Okay, the next project I want to show you, this is a summer Quaker. This I got on 123stitch.com. This is by Lila Studio or Lila Studio. I'm not sure how to pronounce it correctly. Summer Quaker. And it has also a lot of detailing here, as you can see. I love it. And this I'm cross stitching on 16 count Ada fabric by Zweigart. And I am using DMC floss. Here's the floss. You can see all the beautiful colors. They're not so bright as the previous project, but I still like them. Still very nice. And the only thing I don't like about the instructions is that they don't mention how much of every color you need. Like this color here and the darker blues are used a lot in this project, and I have to buy them a lot, like very often, because they're used so much. I'm going to show you. And before I show you what I cross stitched, let me just show you a picture of what this cross stitch project looked like the last time I showed it to you. So here's the picture. And this is what I cross stitched. Hope you can see everything, because it's really big. And this is 16 count. This is not 14 count. But here, I finished this part here. This is the letter S. And you have the flowers. You have this Nordic star, as I like to call it. Some small details, and this like half a Quaker. Then I did the border here as well. And I went and did this border here as well. And I have 4 of them, so they are finished. And I also did this frame here. And the only thing that I have left here before I do the middle part is this upper part. So I want to finish these Quakers here and this written part here. So it's going to be up here. And then I'll move on to the houses, to the ship, the beautiful mermaid, and it's going to be in the middle. And I love cross stitch this one. It's not so complicated, but it's not that easy. Something in the middle. And hopefully this is going to be finished by the end of 2024. I really hope that. And I know that Lila Studio, they have made they've released a new Quaker, and that is like a fall autumn Quaker, and I'm planning on getting it someday, sooner or later, because I like that one. I'm not that crazy about the spring Quaker. I like the summer one. I like the autumn one, but we'll see. And the last project that I want to share with you, this is also a Quaker, and this is a Quaker that I also purchased on 123stitch.com. This is, let me just show you a little bit closer, like this. This is a Quaker, like a farmer's Quaker, and what I love about this one is that every time I look at the preview, I find like something new, a new detail, because there's so much in here. So much that relates to like farm life, what's on the farm. So I'm really excited to make in this one. And let me show you what I've cross stitched. This is not that much. That would be the lower part here. I always start from this part here. So this is finished. So what do I have here? I have like these flowers. There's a little bunny here, a rabbit. Then you have this big bush with small berries on it. And then you have like a fence with flowers, and a birdhouse with a little bird. And this bird has like backstitch, a little bit of backstitching on it. And all of this is cross-stitched, and so this is what I've cross-stitched here, this part here. All of this is cross-stitched with using only one color. Let me just get the color so you can look at it. This is the floss that I'm using. And this is the number of the floss. This is 815. And I'm probably going to have to buy more of the floss. I don't think that this is enough. And I don't think that it... No, she doesn't say, or he or whoever made this, how much you need of the color, how many of these you need. So I'm just guessing. And this is in black and white. So I love it. I like the detailing. I like to find new stuff in the Quaker. So hopefully I'm also going to finish this one by the end of 2024. And that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And subscribe if you haven't already done this, because there's a lot more to come. And I hope you have a great day. And I want to wish all of my subscribers, everyone that's watching this video, Merry Christmas. And now I'm going to take you on a tour of Christmas market. It's a very old Christmas market in the oldest part of Stockholm. And I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.